is not a home without my baby. Why are you now hiding?
Hi to mga nang delay na happy birthday. Ano, tagay na! Man, may kuba dyan. By the way, I miss you naman ng happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Ingat ka lagi dyan. Kayo, ingat kayo lagi dyan. Enjoy your birthday. See you soon. Love, love.
Okay, today is May 6, the special day of my cousin. Happy birthday. God bless you always. And congratulations! Lola ka na! Lola na din ako. Happy birthday. I love you. I wish you all the best. And stay pretty. Stay beautiful. Pretty and beautiful isa lang yun. Just me. Cousin, lahat-lahat ng gusto mo, lahat-lahat ng wish mo, sana matupad mo. Happy birthday. I love you. Ayan, dito ako sa kitchen kasi birthday mo eh. Shoot. Happy birthday. I miss you so much. Ayan, sana magkabanding tayo pag uwi ko. See you. Happy birthday.
Ayun. I just wanna greet my cousins, Neds Loyas. Happy birthday. Your 40s ka na. So, continue doing your best as mom. Even despite solving problem, both us, laban lang. Okay? Laban lang. And then, happy birthday. Okay? Happy birthday. Sana sa dami-dami ng problema, dapat stay good always. Congratulations kasi may apo ka na. Ayan. Dati, hinihilot-hilot ko lang yun. Sasabihin ko na sa'yo eh. Kaso lang wag na. Ikaw ha. Ayun. Happy birthday. Always positive always. Always positive always. Healthy and more birthdays to come in your life. Continue doing your business or whatever. So as long as you do good, ayun na. Hoping marami pang birthday na dumating sa buhay mo. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Kasi ako, tinan mo, umaatas na yung buhok ko sa dami-dami ng problema, pero kinakaya ko. Ayan, okay? Ito na. Happy birthday ulit. Namimiss ko yung halakhakan natin. Kasi you're busy always. Also me, busy. Then, kaya, ayun, marami tayong kanya-kanyang diskarte sa buhay. Kaya, happy lang. Sana mabalik natin yung mga halakhakan natin dati. Kasi, yun yung pang-pagod vibes. Kaso, nawala na eh. Seryoso na ako eh, ngayon eh. Ayan, kakaseryoso ko, umaatas na yung buhok ko. Pag umaatas na yung buhok ko, magpapabili ako sa'yo ng wig. Ayan na. Happy birthday. Ayan. Happy birthday. Always think positive and continue doing your business or whatever. Go. Okay? Happy birthday again. God bless.
Hi cousin, happy birthday. Hey, sorry di ko ka na and wish na ko nimo nga stay pretty paghapon, good health and more birthdays to come. I love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Nets! We love you!
Nets, good morning. Pahulam ako kwarta bisay pas buntag manghulam na ko no. Sus kagabi bitaw ti ay. Happy 44th birthday sa imong hate. God bless you, ma.
Hi Tita Nets, happy birthday and happy birthday. Wish you all the best, that more candles to blow and more years to come in your life. Be brave kung unsa man ang mga problema nga maabot sa imong kinabuhi, because God give that have a purpose in your life. So padayon sa imong pagkabuutan sa imong mga anak o sa abang tao. Happy birthday. Sorry nga di may katugma because nami defense say Monday ang amo ang defense, so kinahanglan ni mag-andam ugma. Enjoy sa imong birthday, unta deliveran mig foods bitaw. Thank you for being a good tita kadtong na to sa reunion. Na-miss na ako to. Then padayon sa imong mga plano sa imong duha ka childs o sa imong apo, sa imong newborn baby. Bye-bye. Happy birthday once again.
Hello, Tita May. Happy birthday. Amping ka perme. Tapos, namimiss ka namin na titi. Kaming tatlo sa Tito Joanna.
Pwede naman mag-Bisaya.
Tapos, God bless you. Mag-ingat ka ng palagi dyan.
Happy birthday, Tita May. Mag-iingat ka palagi. Huwag mo papabayaan yung self mo. Alagaan mo ng sarili. Alagaan mo ng maayos yung self mo. And stay healthy. Sana magkita na tayong lahat soon. And umukainin. And ayun. God bless you, Tita. We miss you so much. Mag-iingat ka palagi. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Enjoy your day.
Yes.
Ayan, good morning KSA, yan, at good afternoon na Pilipinas. Babatiin ko lang aking pinakamagandang sister, Nets Werder. Happy birthday, yan, happy birthday sa iyo to, sister, no. Greetings from my brother yung na pangit, yan. Greeting from KSA, yan. Happy birthday sa iyo, sister, kung guwapa kayo na taas ko gilong. Happy birthday, good morning.
Happy birthday, Tita Net. Happy birthday, Tita Net. Thank you. Miss you. Happy birthday po, Tita Net. More birthdays to come.
Morning, happy birthday sa aking sister. You are already 44 years old and you are lola na, so more birthday to come and stay calm. I hope you have a good health always. Love you. Ingat lagi.
Hi, sweetheart. I apologize in advance on how poorly I do these video chats, but anyways, happy birthday to you. I wish I was there. You know, I'm so happy I've met you. I just want to let you know how much you mean to the people around you, and you're such a great person. And I'm going to see you again soon. Have a happy birthday.